I need you to write this word down. This says consistent. Go ahead and write it down. And then once you write it down, I need you to go ahead and underline it. And then I need you to circle it, because starting right now, you and I are going to lock in on the true definition of the word consistent, because believe it or not, a lot of you guys are extremely confused. So let me go ahead and unconfuse you. Some of y'all think consistent means once in a while. No, ma'am. Some of y'all think consistent means if you feel like it. Absolutely not. Some of y'all think consistent means if you're not too busy. Absolutely not. Consistent means more often than not. So, if there are 7 days in a week, consistent means showing up for yourself, your business, your goals, whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish, showing up for them 4 out of the 7 days. Ladies, I don't know what world you live in, but in the real world, you have to do the work. You cannot manifest your way to a business if you don't do the work. You cannot pray your way to weight loss if you do not do the work. You have got to show up for yourself if you want to achieve the goals that you have for yourself. So whether you want to spend 20 minutes a day, 4 days a week, or 10 hours a day, 4 days a week, I don't care about the amount of time, but you will start showing up for yourself, bare minimum 4 out of the 7. And don't you dare try to tell me that you don't have time. That is a lie that you continue to tell yourself so you can feel good about the poor decisions you make on a day-to-day basis. Because let's be clear, if you have time to scroll social media, if you have time to bounce from TikTok Live to TikTok Live, a lot of y'all are TikTok Live habitual viewers. That's what you do all day. If you have time to catch up on your favorite TV shows and movies, if you have time to go to happy hour, if you have time to gossip on the phone, if you have time to be caught up on celebrity drama, you have more than enough time to show up for yourself. You have all the time in the world. Someone who truly doesn't have time wouldn't be here right now. You're going to have to start being consistent. That is the only way any of this is going to work. And if you don't want to do that, I don't want to waste your time, so just leave now. Just swipe up. Go ahead somewhere else. I'm not selling you dreams. I'm telling you the truth. You're going to have to be consistent. Now, let's make consistency easy, because life is hard enough. Life is hard enough, ain't it? Life is life, and stress is stressing, and then bills is piling up. So let's make consistency easy so we can actually get it done this time. Okay? Listen to me. It is so much easier to be consistent when you do things that you actually enjoy doing. Okay? Because when things don't feel like work, now you have something in your day to look forward to. Okay? So what I want you to do is go through the list that ChatGPT gave you, and I want you to only pick ideas that you truly have a passion for. I want you to ask yourself, what is something that I would absolutely love to talk about all day, every day, if I could get paid to do it? And whatever that thing is, that's your business. See, a lot of us love to struggle. Thank you, Alex. A lot of us love struggle. Maybe you grew up in struggle. Maybe that's all you saw. But let me tell you this, life does not have to be a struggle. But you refuse to just make things easy for yourself. Because what a lot of you guys have done is you have chosen niches and things that you don't even really like. You only chose that thing because somebody on one of these apps told you that you can make $1 million in 24 hours, and you believed them. But the problem is you don't even like the niche. And if you're not consistent, I promise you, you won't make a dime. So it doesn't matter how much something is trending. It doesn't matter, because if you don't consistently show up for it, you won't make no money. So let's stop struggling. Let's stop making things hard. Just choose something that you actually like to do so that you can be consistent and actually get the results that you want. And if ChatGPT gave you 10 things and you don't like none of the things it gave you, that's fine. Just ask for 10 more. and keep asking until it gives you something you want to use. Okay? Okay.